Ever wondered what would happen if your flight gets cancelled, your luggage vanishes, or you get sick in a foreign country? That's where travel insurance steps in. Welcome to the first episode of the Ultimate Travel Insurance Guide series. I'm Imam, and today we're breaking down what travel insurance actually is and what it really covers. At its core, travel insurance is a safety net. It's a policy that protects you from unexpected financial losses during a trip. Whether you're traveling for vacation, business, or study, it's designed to give peace of mind when things don't go as planned. So, what exactly does travel insurance cover? Let's break it down. First up, trip cancellation and interruption. If you have to cancel your trip due to illness, injury, or a family emergency, you could be reimbursed for prepaid costs like flights and hotels. Same if your trip is interrupted midway. Next, medical emergencies abroad. Most health insurance doesn't cover international travel. Travel insurance can pay for doctor visits, hospital stays, and even medical evacuation back home. Now, lost or delayed baggage. If your bags are delayed or lost, travel insurance helps cover the cost of essentials, like clothes and toiletries, until you're reunited with your luggage. Flight delays and missed connections. Delays happen. Insurance can cover hotel stays, meals, and new flight bookings if you're stuck or miss a connection. And theft and personal belongings. Pickpocketed in Paris or lost your camera in Tokyo. Some plans reimburse the value of stolen or lost personal items. The coverage can vary depending on your policy, so always read the fine print. But at the end of the day, travel insurance is about traveling smart and protecting yourself from the unexpected. Thanks for watching. In the next episode, I'll show you how to choose the right travel insurance policy. So stay tuned and subscribe to Travels with Imam for more essential travel tips. Safe travels.